Happymailqueen. I am back to share my Pokey tool or Scribe pins, whatever you want to call it. I was inspired by Anna's Serenity Creations, and she had shared these, what she called a Pokey tool, I think. And I've been seeing lots of people make them, Marissa, Creative Young Mama, and Tammy. So anyway, had to give it a try because it's the cutest thing. And since I finally got my skewers, you know, I got my supplies, let me go ahead and share with you what I had created. So I started off making these first. These are Hello Kitty ones, and I used my Hello Kitty beads right here. And then I also used some BB Craft, these pastel plastic beads, and it has a tutorial on these, you guys. They're super easy. You're basically just putting the beads through and using some E6000. I did actually use E6000. I usually don't like to use E6000, but these little ones are okay. And then I was wearing a mask and everything, so that the smell wouldn't bother me. So for this one right here, I put one of my beads that I think I got from Etsy, and these are the only bow beads that I have that have a big enough hole, because this particular skewer, it's 2 millimeter thick, and so you have to use the bubblegum beads or these other beads, like from, I don't know, I think they're just regular, like 10 millimeter. I think these might be 10 millimeter beads, but these also worked because the hole was big enough. It has to accommodate a 2 millimeter. Actually, I think these are probably 2 millimeter. I think they fit in the 2 millimeter hole. I'm not sure. But anyway, they did fit on mine. So the beads, these beads right here, these smaller ones, I think these are Dollar Tree beads. And actually the Dollar Tree beads have a pretty big hole. Even though this is an 8 millimeter bead, the hole on these are bigger. So so you have to find the beads that will accommodate your skewer. But let's see, as you can see, going back to this one, this is a Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio resin flower. So I did glossy accented that on there. And then since the skewers have this metal loop and it's pretty large, I went ahead and did what Anna said to do, was to wrap some ribbon. So I actually used different ribbons. My favorite actually to use was this one here from Michaels, because I just found with me, the thinner the ribbon was, it's easier to wind around. It takes a little bit longer though, because you know, you're covering less space at a time. But you can use Fabri-Tac, or I actually use both Fabri-Tac, and then for some of them I actually use hot glue. You just have to be careful that you don't burn yourself. But I did use this one right here as well. Some of these are from Daiso, I think. Maybe Daiso, I don't know. Or they could be Hobby Lobby, but the gingham ones. I also tried the twine, which I'm going to show you. And then I tried these. I like this, using these thin ones too from Michaels. What else did I use? Yeah, I think that's basically it. Oh, this one here. This one is from Dollar Tree, and it's the paper one. It's almost like raffia. It feels like it, but it's I think they call them paper twine. So because I really liked the yellow color on that one, so I also used that. So yeah, these are the ones. Aren't they cute? So here's, this one is the Daiso, I think it's Daiso ribbon. And then I used one of my beads from my stash. I don't even remember where I got this one, but they're acrylic beads. So those have really big holes in it, and you have to make sure you put lots of glue on that one. And I made a purple one, of course, and a blue and pink one. So these are just so much fun to create. I need to put a flower on this one, but they're so fun. So these are like the Hello Kitty ones with the Hello Kitty beads that I got from Amazon. And so there's that. And then I made these, and these are using, I think these are Hobby Lobby beads, if I'm not mistaken. And then I put the spacers on that one. And this is also, I think it's Michael's maybe. But there are these spacers that I got a while ago. I can't remember. And then use that pretty ribbon from Michael's. So there's that one. There's this one right here. You can see it a little better. I think these beads are actually Walmart beads, if I'm not mistaken. And then I did some with charms on it. So here's a cute Easter one. So it looks like the other one. And here's where I used that paper twine. That was one of the first ones I made. And then here's one of my charms or cabochons from Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio. And there's that one for Easter. And here's another one for Easter. And so yeah, for the charms, I just did, these are the charms, the dangles that I made a while ago using Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio beads. That was from one of my design team projects. And this acrylic piece right here, this was gifted to me by Dina. Hey girl, who is Mommy, This Mommy Loves Disney. And then these beads right here are the wood beads from the Dollar Tree. So you can even do the wood beads. And then of course on the end, I did make sure that I put one of those earring stoppers, the rubber stoppers. And I think I got mine from the Dollar Tree. It came in this little pack right here that had some earring findings on it. And it even comes with this little screwdriver. But it was a little kit from, I think it's from the Dollar Tree or the 99-cent store. I want to say the Dollar Tree. And then here's a purple one. So this one's a little bit darker. Super pretty beads. And I think these are Hobby Lobby beads. And then the last one I made is a nautical one. Just for fun. I did this one because I wanted to use this blue bead. But I wanted to, you know, do kind of a nautical theme. So I did it with the these 22, are they 22 or 20 millimeter? These are 20 millimeter wood beads from Amazon. And then I just used the ball chain from Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio. And then these charms are plastic charms. So obviously you don't want to put any like really heavy charms because, you know, if you're going to actually use it as a pokey tool, yeah, you don't want anything heavy dangling. Of course, you could always remove it when you're using it. But yeah, these charms are, wow, I got them a long time ago from a craft store. I'm not sure if it was Wooten's or it was one of the craft stores, local craft stores. So that's it. Those are my Pokey Tool pens. These are so much fun, you guys. You guys have to try it. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.